Hi Geeta, welcome in our Mother's Day special. So, as far as we are exploring this idea about becoming mom of your mom and your mother, such a pretty doll, Hinaya there, and the second one is just it's just on the way. So, congratulations for that first, Geeta. At one point in life, did you realize कि अभी मम्मी को थोड़ा बैक सीट लेने देते हैं, let me take charge of everything. Let me tell her that these are the situations जिनको इस तरीके से डील करना चाहिए. Mama, please go back, take rest, let me take over.
I think my mom would probably say that ये शुरू से ही ऐसी थी. ये छोटी होते ही दादी थी सबकी. कि I used to try being the boss, said, Mom, I'll do it, Mom, like trying to give the advice and trying to making everyone feel that I'm the mother, whereas she's really the mother. But ये तो मेरे बचपन से ही आदत थी कि I used to try and like get involved in everything or scold her. Okay, no, I'll do it, and trying taking over so many things, and she wouldn't let it happen. Obviously, being a mother, आप बैठो जाके or do what you have to do with your schoolwork and stuff. But I'm always telling my mom off for something or the other. Always. I think she's now used to it. She now knows कि इसको कुछ नहीं बोल सकते. इसने बोलना ही है जो बोलना है.
So nice, so nice. So Geeta, when you see now your daughter growing up and you look back and you see yourself when you were a child and while your mother was bringing you up, when you compare this and this, क्या difference और क्या similarities दिखती है?
Honestly, I hope I'm just like my mom. She is, for me, the role model, the benchmark of being a mother. She has balanced home, work, all the school runs, मतलब दादी को भी संभालना, नानी को भी संभालना, सबको देखना, and then she sees herself after. She really is exemplary of how a mother should be. Like if I can be 1% of that, I think I've done a good job. Like I really feel she has really taught me, and there are a lot of similarities about my mom and me in terms of maybe just trying to be an all-rounder. Like I feel I try, but I'm not that good. Like maybe I'm not as good as what she is. Of course, I mean, she went to work. She started, she runs businesses and everything like that, and even looking after us, having 3 small kids. So मतलब मैं कोशिश तो जरूर करती हूँ कि थोड़ा उनसे भी जो मैं सीख सकती हूँ उनसे ही होता है. Like, see, every woman, where do you learn your first motherly? I think that's what it is. That's you get your first lesson. Your first teacher is your mother.
Yeah. So Hinaya बॉसगिरी करती है आपके साथ कि नहीं?
बहुत. She doesn't let me do anything. I can't sing, I can't do this. No, like she's very protective over me. She's very protective. I think because she's been so much with me that she's a very protective child around me. But she wants to do everything.
That's so nice. Were you like this with your mother?
I don't know. I in some ways, yes, I was. In some ways, I was. I wasn't as protective, maybe. She doesn't let me. She's very bossy over me, like my daughter. Hinaya is just with me the whole time, every day, all day. So she has this, like, maybe this hold over me. Okay, she doesn't want mama to do this, and will keep telling me off all the time as well. So that way, maybe she's very similar to me of when I was a child. So I think that you get your traits, right? Like you pass on your traits to your children.
That जो आपने हिनाया से सीखा हो और कुछ ऐसा जो आपकी मॉम ने आपसे सीखा हो.
So I really feel this is a very good question. I think, you know what? When you become a mother, it's not just about you teaching your kids. You are also a mother for the first time, and you're learning through your kids.
That's what,
Every generation keeps changing, and you have to go with the time. हमारे generation में अलग था, हिनाया की generation में अलग चीजें होंगी, अलग चीजें सीखने को मिलेगा. You've got to keep changing. You've got to keep up with the new age. and they teach you so much. Kids, I have learned so much just by being a mother. I've learned being patient, being calm, discipline, routine, like so many things that maybe I wouldn't have had if I wasn't a mother, you know.
Right.
आप आपके बच्चे आपको सिखाते हैं.
So beautiful to hear that, Geeta. Okay, tell me this. कुछ ऐसा कभी हुआ that you know when you did not speak it out, आपने कभी बोला नहीं, but you know आपकी बेटी ने समझा.
She's very young. She's only 4, but she has a unbelievable sense of emotions and sensitivity. So if, for example, there's a day I'm very down or I feel sad or whatever, or you know, whatever it is, or I've had a bad day, and she knows that, she senses it. Mama, are you okay? Mama, are you sad? You know, like, and although I don't show it in front of her, like, I'm the vibe around my daughter is always very happy and very positive, and
Right.
but obviously there are certain days you've had a bad day or whatever it is, and something triggers you. So
Yeah.
she senses that, like, they're very smart. These kids are born smart today.
Yeah.
Like, they just know everything.
Yeah. So, Geeta, you know, while you were growing up, what were your ambitions like, and how did your mother actually supported you in that?
It's only because of my mother I'm here today in India. Like, there's no two ways about it. Honestly, for me to even travel from Portsmouth to Mumbai would not have even been remotely possible if my mom didn't say, okay, theek hai, let's go, you know. So that one day when I actually mentioned to my mom, like, this is what I want to do, I want to try it, I want to go to Mumbai, you know, try chasing my dreams.
Huh.
And if I don't do it now, it'll be too late. And my mom never said to me, no, you finish your studies, you know. She said, okay, if this is what you really want, then I'm supporting you. And my mom brought me to Mumbai. Sab kuch kiya, getting a flat thing, finding a flat for us, our acting classes submission, and everything. Like, it's crazy. Like, she went out of her way to make sure that we are properly set. Got my Masi here to live with me, to make sure everything ghar ka, you know, atmosphere hai, that, you know, my daughter's not alone, and just made everything possible for me. Like, it would not have even be possible. Like, how is a girl of the age of 17, 18 going to come to Mumbai and
Without any support. Yeah, absolutely.
not possible. So that only is because of my mother. And she has been my rock and my strength and my backbone. So
So nice, Geeta. So tell me this. Of course, like career may, struggle may, and you know all these related decisions. इनमें तो of course mom का contribution होता है. How much of your mom contributed in say making your personal decision? Say, suppose getting married to Harbhajan, or you know when you decided that you know basically taking like big decisions in life, big personal decisions in life. So
like, my mom made it very clear from the beginning that you guys marry who you want. Like, you have to live the rest of your life with that person, and you guys have to be happy. You know, she wants to see us happy, and like any mother wants to see their children happy, and gave us that choice from the beginning. That, you know, I know you'll choose right, and I know you'll, you know, make the right decisions in life. But I leave that decision to you.
Mm-hmm. So Geeta, you know, mummiya especially, and there's no way आप इसको disagree करोगे. Moms are especially, you know, they're like कि आपके बच्चे होंगे ना, then you'll get to know what I am experiencing now with you. तो अभी ऐसा हुआ कि जब हिनाया हुई, and then how you and Hinaya bonding. So then
I was so rebellious. I feel so bad of what I put my parents through, because I was such a rebellious child. And I think, oh my God, like, I feel so bad because now I know it. I get it. I get what they were saying, because I'm a mother today. And I'm like, you know, you just pray that your child is not like that. You know, like, you don't want that deja vu of what you put your parents through at that age. And of course, जब तुम्हारे बच्चे होंगे तो जो समझ आएगा, बाकी वो ही होता है. जब तक आपका खुद का बच्चा नहीं होता, you don't realize. You realize only after you have your kids that you value that should have given my mom such a hard time when I was younger. Yeah, I feel so bad.
Oh my
So
God.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's happened a
Hmm.
lot.
So how much is Inaya excited about the baby girl?
Yeah, she is. Of course, she's excited. She's for her it'll be a toy, of course. Like she's a 4-year-old, so
Huh.
but she's. I'm sure she'll be a great older sister, protective, and
Yeah.
girls are born maternal. I think they just have this maternal instinct in them when they're born.
Yeah.
So I think she'll enjoy the responsibility.
Yeah. So thank you for this really nice and heartwarming chat with us, Geeta. I wish you the best. And all my love to Inaya also. And wish you and your mom a very happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, I wish everyone a very, very happy and safe Mother's Day.
In the third session, this Mother's Day, we talk about breaking the stereotypes around motherhood, allowing mothers to be more human and less godly, understanding that they are also learning, they can do mistakes, and there's no formula for motherhood. It's something you constantly learn when you are actually in it. So, in this session, we talk to celebrity moms Bhagyashri, Shiba Chadha, and Rajeshwari Sachdev, who discuss their own journey of motherhood.